Ever felt like Photoshop is fighting you when you try to drag and click, making your editing a frustrating chore? This video is your quick fix guide to smoothing out those drag and click issues and getting your Photoshop editing workflow back on track. So let's dive right in and start by fixing the problem in your preferences. Step 1. Locate your preferences. This area controls how Photoshop uses your system's resources. Go to Edit on Windows or Photoshop on Mac, and from the drop-down menu, select Preferences, then click on Performance. Now, let's optimize those settings first. Increase the amount of RAM. Photoshop can use Photoshop run smoother when it has enough memory to use. Drag the slider or enter a larger number. Aim to allocate at least 70% of your available RAM to Photoshop. Next, go to the History and Cache section and customize the settings to balance performance and available resources. The History Status setting controls how many and news you can do. Lowering this slightly can free up resources. Experiment to find your sweet spot. Focus on the cache levels and cache tile size. Next, a higher cache level and moderate tile size can generally improve responsiveness. Experiment with these and then click OK. Now restart Photoshop and see if those annoying drag and click issues are fixed. It's like getting a brand new editing experience. If you encounter further drag and click concerns, consider updating your graphics driver or checking your Wacom or other tablet setup.